Hey guys, how are you all? Today I am going to share you a delicious sweet recipe with red rice. But before we dive into the cooking process, let's understand the benefits of red rice. It is an excellent powerhouse of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. It is very rich in fiber, it boosts the digestion. It also aids in weight management. It is having more calories and carbohydrates. And furthermore, moderate consumption of red rice, approximately 100 grams daily, can be a valuable component of diabetes management. Come, let's start the process. For making this recipe, I am taking around 1 kg of red rice. We'll call it as Navara rice also. Take a water and wash it almost 3 times. Wash it well and strain the water. Now take the fresh water and soak it for 15 to 16 hours. Don't keep in refrigerator, let it be in room temperature only. Take a strainer and strain the soaked rice into it and let it dry for some time. Don't dry under sunlight, it should not over dry. Let it dry under fan for 20 to 30 minutes. Let rice retains a slight moisture content so that the powder will come very finely. So now we have to make it into a powder. Now it's time to make it into a fine powder. I have blended it into a blender. The consistency should be like this. If you want, you can sieve it. I have not done that. I have already made into a fine powder. Take a jaggery of around 500 grams. Take 1 grated raw coconut and 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, half tablespoon of ilachi powder. Now let's start the process. Take a kadai and add the jaggery into it. Add 1 glass of water. Let the jaggery melt. Boil for 2 minutes. Take a strainer and filter the caramel into a fine mesh to remove impurities and sediments. Now let's take the filtered caramel and add into a washed kadai again. Stir it continuously. Cook it for 2 minutes. Let the syrup get thickened. Now we have to do one test. Take a bowl of water and take the caramel syrup into it. Just see whether the caramel mixture forms into a semi-soft ball. Now again, just cook it for another 2 minutes. And repeat the same test and check whether it is forming as a semi-soft ball or not. Yes, now this is perfect for the recipe. Now add sesame seeds into it. Stir it nicely and add half tablespoon of ilachi powder. Mix it well. Now add around 1 grated raw coconut into it. Let it cook for 1 minute. The continuous stirring is very important here in this recipe. Now add rice gradually and mix it thoroughly. Don't add rice flour at a time. Mix it well slowly in low flame. Don't keep in high flame. That's it. Now it is ready for the recipe. Switch off the flame and keep it aside. Take a mixture and transfer the content into a bowl. Now this is ready for sweet recipe. Keep the mixture aside for some time. Now we have to make the arrangements to make it into shapes. Take a polythene sheet or cover, grease oil on it and take 1 small lemon size of ball and make it into a round shapes like how I am showing here. And now this is ready for deep fry. Take a oil in kadai, let it heat in high flame and adjust to the low flame. Let it fry one by one. After 1 minute, it will float like how I am showing here. Don't overcook. Remove immediately once it floated. Here you go, the sweet recipe is ready to taste now. Do you know guys, consuming red rice daily is having more benefits, mainly for the people with diabetes, as it has a lower glucose index compared to white rice. It is very good for health. So try it out and let me know how it came to you. This is a very good healthy recipe. Thank you all. Bye-bye.